Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On 2nd August, I shared this idea at the Patreon, and I also shared this idea with you as well in the form of video that the price action has formed another bullish reversal, the harmonic bullish reversal chart pattern, and from here we can expect another bullish reversal move. Before this, we have already seen this bullish bat pattern that I shared with you in my previous videos, that the price line has formed a bullish bat pattern on the daily time frame chart, and from here we can expect a powerful bullish reversal. And now you can see, I'm just going to play the chart, the price action reversed very strong bullish. That was more than 34% rally, and then the price action formed this bullish harmonic shark move. This was formed on the 4-hourly chart, and let me show you what the price action did yesterday. The price action completed this final leg of this bullish shark move. I told you that it will complete the final leg as per the Fibonacci sequence, and from here we can expect a bullish reversal. Now I'm going to play the chart to show you the performance of this idea, and by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, now I'm just going to play the chart, and this one. And you can see that the price action completed this final leg and reversed bullish, hit the sell targets, move down, and now if we move at the live hourly time frame chart, then here we can see previously we have already seen this falling wedge pattern, and I told you that we have another layer of resistance above this falling wedge, even though we had a breakout from this resistance, but we need to break out this additional resistance for a big move. And now you can see that the price action broke out this additional resistance and started a big move from here, but so far we can see that it moved very close to this tail of the falling wedge. The technical target should be the tail of this falling wedge, but it moved up to here and dropped down again. And this is the beauty of the support that we found recently at $37,000. I showed you that now we have another support level while the price action was moving up and down here. Previously, it had been breaking as a resistance here and here as well, and here as well, and here slightly it has worked as a support. Therefore, this $37,500 can work as a nice support this time, and you can see that the price action is getting bounced again and again by this support here. The price action tested this $37,500, moved up, and again tested. So this can be a double bottom as well at $37,500 support level, and it can push the price action to break out the next resistance that we have now, $37,500 again, because previously, even though we had the closing above this $39,500, even we also had the closing above $42,000 as well. But then the price action moved down to retest the $42,000 resistance as a support. It moved down and even broke down this previous support of $39,500 and moved here at the previous support at $37,500. Now this double bottom that has been formed on the hourly time frame chart, even it can be seen on the 4-hourly time frame chart as well. We are having a very nice double bottom. And with this double bottom, we also have this bullish engulfing candlestick that has just appeared on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And you can see previously we had this bearish candlestick, and this bullish engulfing candlestick has completely engulfed the body of this previous bearish candlestick. Therefore, it can be another signal for a powerful reversal from here. That is same as like previously we had on the daily time frame chart. When in my previous video I told you that we are having a bullish engulfing candlestick appeared here, and that has engulfed even the two bearish candlesticks. You can see that we had two bearish candlesticks and this one candlestick that was also Marubozu and bullish engulfing candlestick, and that is a very powerful bullish reversal signal. We had just appeared, this candlestick was just appeared at the bottom here, and we also had the dodgy dragonfly candlestick also appeared at that time at the bottom. That was a perfect sign or a signal for the bullish reversal, and you can see that the price action reversed bullish, broke out the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart, and now it is retesting the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame, same as like it did previously when we had this bull run just started here after the month of March. The price line broke out the EMA 21 here, and it went very close to this EMA 21 to retest on the daily time frame, and again started the next rally. And here the price action tested the EMA 21 daily, again tested the EMA 21 daily, and moved up. So this retest of the EMA 21 can be very healthy move. Like previously, we have just seen that the price action has been retesting this EMA 21 after breaking it out. Now, if the price line is testing this EMA 21 on the daily time frame to start the next move to the upside, then it is a very powerful bullish signal. Like we are having Marubozu candlestick appeared on the 4-hourly time frame chart. The price action has also broken out this falling wedge, even though it is broken out on the hourly time frame chart. We can see that it was formed on the hourly time frame, and the price line has also started the bullish reversal from this bullish shark, the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark that was formed this time on the 4-hourly time frame chart. So these bunch of the bullish signals appeared on the small time frame charts can be helpful for the price action to change the trend completely from bearish to bullish. And this time we can see even on the weekly time frame chart, the price action is still struggling to break out this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. This is I have switched to the weekly time frame chart, and you can see here we had the closing above the weekly time frame EMA 21, but now we are again moving below EMA 21 on the weekly time frame. So we need to break out the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame for a very, very big rally from here. So far, the price line is not able to break it out completely, but the oscillator on the weekly time frame is still bullish. We can see that it has just reversed and moving to the upside from the oversold zone. And if we take a look at the MACD indicator, the moving average convergence divergence, then it is still turning more and more bullish on the weekly time frame. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and do support me at the Patreon. And here you will also find the different trading ideas that I am sharing on the daily basis. I've shared the link in the video description. You can find there to join me here. Take care. Goodbye.